So we've got a Defender 110 in with us today for a number of upgrades. So this is a D350. We've taken this to a D350 now. So that's over an extra 100 horsepower and takes the torque to just under 700 pound-foot, which is quite a remarkable sort of upgrade. We only use official JLR software for this, so there won't be any sporadic coding. So when it goes to the dealer and they plug it in, there won't be a load of false codes, unlike when you use other equipment such from China or other OBD Land Rover software, which basically leaves a huge amount of false code, and then the dealer's going to know straight away that something's been tampered with. So we only use official JLR hardware and software here, so it's all in accordance and tolerances to JLR. We've also done some activations. Customer wanted dynamic mode. He also wanted to get rid of the bings and the bongs, so we've done MY24 configurable, so you can set that so every time when you get in it'll remember that you've turned off certain settings. And we've also done configurable stop start, so he doesn't have to keep bothering turning that on and off. We've also installed the latest generation Blackvue LTE, so this particular camera will work in parking mode. It also has cloud connectivity, so if anybody does reverse into the vehicle or try and break into the vehicle, then basically it will send you a text message alert. This is the front camera here that we've fitted centralized in there, and I'll just show you what we can achieve for the rear camera as well. So on the rear camera we have that nicely positioned there. As you can see, no visible wiring, everything's done properly all the way through the rubber gaiter. And then we've also fitted the latest generation cell link battery pack, so you're going to get a good sort of 12 to 16 hours recording through that. It doesn't affect anything to do with the actual battery on the Defender itself. It's completely separate, so there's no worry about any sort of low battery voltage warnings. So if you're interested in any of these upgrades on this particular vehicle, obviously we do the pod light conversions as well. This particular one, customer has supplied his own DRLs which we fitted, but we've also wired those so his fogs will work on the stalk as well, so he gets dual purpose with those. So yes, if there's anything that you would require doing on your Defender, then please give us a call here at TTW Installations Defender Retrofit. We'll be very happy to help. Thank you.